What's up, guys? About a week ago, I did a video where I talked about ordering a 2022 Charger or Challenger. We basically did a build breakdown, and then I ordered my own 2022 Hellcat wide body. After about a week of not getting any kind of confirmation that my order had been placed, and the Dodge dealership not reaching out to me to, acquire my deposit, I reached back out to my sales rep and I asked him, I said, hey, I haven't received any kind of confirmation that my order had been placed. And I wanted to find out what's going on, because I want to make sure that I'm one of the first to get my hands on a 2022 Charger or Challenger. And I ordered a Challenger, the Hellcat wide body. And we made some phone calls, and it came back that even though that they took the order, the books haven't officially been opened by corporate, even though we were all told, including the dealership, that the books had been opened. The books have not officially been opened. I've also seen videos from other YouTubers who had similar stories where they were told that they were going to get to place their orders, and their orders have not been placed. Now, as of the time of this video, we're in the first week of December. We should be well into the 2022 model year. Generally speaking, in a normal car market, the model year, the books close on a given model year at the end of summer, sometime at the end of July, with the books opening for the next model year the first week of August. That's generally how Dodge has done it. And then the first cars being delivered in late fall, early winter. Well, that's just not been the case this year. While Ram has released some 2022 trucks, Dodge hasn't opened the books on 22 models yet, and that's kind of strange considering we only have 1 month left in the year. And I've come to find out why the 2022 models have not been opened up for the books yet. It's basically because of the global chip shortage, the semiconductor shortage, supply chain issues. Because of the slowdown in production, all of the allocations that were spoken for on the 2021 Dodge Chargers and Challengers, they haven't all been built yet. They're still building 2021 model Chargers and Challengers. Until all of those allocations are built and delivered, they can't open the books for 2022 models. And it's kind of strange. One of my subscribers reached out to me and told me that he had tried to order a 22 and ended up ordering a 21 instead. And that's even more strange, because they shouldn't even be taking any more orders for 21s. If you know that there's a supply shortage, and you know that you're behind the 8-ball on placing orders for 2022 models, why would you continue to accept orders on 2021 models? It's so strange. And then I went on my local Dodge dealership website, as I do, from time to time, and there are some 2021 Charger and Challengers still being built, and there are no 2022s. There are no allocations showing for 2022s. The books haven't officially opened on the 2022s. Now, the Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak has been announced, and that ended up being the car that I want to go with. So it was sort of a blessing in disguise that I wasn't able to put my deposit down on the Hellcat wide body, because now I'm free and clear to go order a 2022 Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak when they become available. But here we are in December, and once you place your order, it's going to be 3, 4, 5 months before you get your car, if you're lucky. I have subscribers that have reached out to me about their Ram TRX orders for 2022 that they placed in early summer, and they still haven't received them, and here we are in December. So who knows if these Charger and Challengers for 22 are going to be delivered anytime soon. I'm really looking forward to the books opening up, but that is exactly why the 2022 books haven't been opened. If you're trying to get your hands on a 22 Charger or a 22 Challenger and your dealership isn't taking orders, this is exactly why. They're still trying to get allocations finished for the 21 model year. Customers who place those orders, dealerships who's placed those orders. Once those allocations have all been built and shipped out, then the books will open for 22 orders, and then those cars will start to be built and delivered. It's probably going to be late winter, early spring before any 22 model Charger and Challengers start hitting dealer lots, and customers who order those vehicles receive them. So if you want a 22 Charger or Challenger, you want to be patient. You got to be patient. And also, it's also important to note, the 2022 year will be the penultimate year, second to last year, of the Hellcat engine. So if you want to get yourself a Hellcat, you'll have the 22 model year and the 23 model year. You don't want to sleep on getting your hands on a Hellcat if that's your intention. Those engines are going away at the end of 2023. The 2024 model year will introduce the electric models. You're going to have all electric models. You're going to have hybrid models. You're going to have naturally aspirated V8s in addition to all electric models. And there will probably also be V6 hybrid models as well. So if you want to get yourself a Hellcat, you've got 2 years left, 2022 and 2023. I would not wait until the last minute, as these things start to, as the last of these cars are going to be built. It's going to become harder and harder to get your hands on them, and the prices are going to skyrocket. If the Viper is any indication, the Vipers were selling MSRP between $140,000 and $160,000 at the very end of their life cycle, and now a Viper is easily a $250,000 car, sometimes even higher. So if you're going to get your hands on a Hellcat, you want to act quickly. You want to make sure you get your order in, or buy one from a dealer, or do something to secure yourself one of these cars before they're gone for good. As far as 2022 goes, we just have to sit and wait and hope that the books open soon. Hopefully the 21 Charger, the 21 Challenger allocations are all done here fairly soon. All right, so if you're looking to get one of those cars, you gotta be patient. All right, to give you a little bit more reference, I like to come to my local Dodge dealership's website. I've got a shop new up here, and let's take a look at what Challenger and Charger models they have coming in. There are 13 Dodge Challengers in stock or on order. There are 30 Chargers in stock or on order. So let's take a look at the Challengers first. Now this is proof positive why they're not opening up the books for the 22s just yet. If you look on here, got a trim. So there's 1 GT, 5 RTs, and 7 RT Scat Packs, which are the 392 models. And every single one of them are 21 models. And as you see right here, these that say in transit mean they're not even there yet. They're still on order. Now, when I originally shot the first part of this video, some of these 21s were still being built. Now they're all in transit, and I actually reached out to my rep at Dodge to find out, what had changed. And actually, they canceled the rest of the remaining 21 allocations, meaning if a dealership had ordered a 21 that had not been built yet, those orders have been canceled. Anything that hasn't already been shipped is no longer being built. This is key, because now that means the books are about to open up for 22. If the factory is canceling 21 orders, then it's about that time for 22 models. Now let's go back up here to the top, and we'll look at Chargers. They've got 30 Chargers on order or in stock. Let's go back over here to trim. You're going to have 8 GTs and 22 RTs, so nothing even above a 5.7 liter V8. But again, this vehicle's in transit. It's a 21. We're in December now, and we still have 21s being shipped to the dealerships. This is historically late in the year for there to be 21s in transit to the dealership. By now, generally in a normal car market, you're going to have rebates trying to clear all this old inventory out, and it's already in stock. If there's even anything left. Generally, we're 3 or 4 months into the new model year. This vehicle's in transit, so 21 GT, 21 RT, 21 RT, 21 RT, 21 RT, 21 RT. Every one of these cars is in transit to the dealer, meaning it's been built and it's either on a train to what they call the railhead, which is where the cars are picked up by the transit drivers, and then they're shipped to the dealership. Generally, once this car is stamped in transit, it's about a month from the dealership, depending on how far away it is from the railhead and from the original factory. We're going to go over here to page 2. 21 RT, 21 RT, 21 RT. Every one of these cars are 21 models. This is why the books haven't opened on 22s, because the final orders for 21 have just finished being built and are shipped to the dealership, and anything that was still on order has been canceled. Now let's take a look at the Ram vehicles. Now there are only 8 Ram 1500s currently in stock or on order, with one being a 21 here, but they've started to get the 22 Rams, which means the 22 Dodge vehicles should be opened up fairly soon for you to start ordering those. We've got a 22 Ram 1500, a 22 Ram 1500, a 22 Ram 1500, another 22 Ram 1500. So pretty much all of the 1500s that are coming in are 22 models. And here we have that 22 Ignition Orange Ram TRX. I've already reached out about this truck to my local Dodge dealership. I don't know that I'm eager to pay $96,000 for the orange. I'm not the biggest fan of the orange, but I do like the fact that this truck is there's only 800 of those being built. So yeah, this is why the 22 model Charger and Challengers have not officially been opened up for orders yet, with dealerships being told that the allocations that they had ordered that haven't already been built have been canceled. I would expect those books to open up any day now. And I've reached out to Dodge to be contacted as soon as the books open, so I can make the 10-minute drive over to the dealership and get my 22 Hellcat Redeye Jailbreak built. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified for all the videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Y'all take it easy.